This is happening every Wednesday and every Sunday. Don't lift your truck, kids. Yes, sir, 74 even. Trigger warning, okay? Voodoo Blue, beautiful truck, I get it. Beautiful, beautiful color. Now, the person who drives it, I mean, I'm beautiful too, but I don't have that much time on my hands, so we kind of maybe sort of bought a membership to a car wash, but yeah, we kind of got a membership at a car wash that isn't touchless. It's 76 degrees out, right? It's super sunny, as you guys can see, and I'm sitting in the truck baking, okay? Baking, and I'm driving to my location thinking about what I'm about to say in this video, and I didn't realize, yeah, I had the heat on the whole time. Alrighty, so in today's video, I wanted to talk about something that I get asked all the time. Aang, how much are you spending a month on your Toyota Tacoma, everything included? As you guys saw, I'm actually paying for a membership at a car wash. Now, I know a lot of people are gonna lose their minds and be like, why would you do that? The Voodoo Blues are beautiful. Listen, okay, buddy, I've tried. I tried washing the truck every weekend, and that takes up like 2, 3, 4, 5 hours of my time. I'm on the go. I like to get up, move, do whatever I need to do, and not have to give up 5 hours of my time. Summertime's coming up, and there's gonna be a lot of mud, a lot of dirt, a lot of dry dirt, which is still dirt, and well, it's gonna get stuck on the side of the truck, and with the touchless, it doesn't get it off. I get it 100%. If I let the mud sit on the truck for too long, it's gonna get hard, and then it's gonna become like I'm sanding down my truck. I won't let that happen, okay? It's only like 40 bucks a month, and well, I always have a super clean Toyota Tacoma. Today's video, we're gonna be talking about the running costs. So, number one on our list, the car wash expenses are $40 a month. I spend $40 and I can wash my truck unlimited times. I don't know, it's just a convenience thing for me. Next up is how much I'm actually paying for the truck. Now, this is actually the biggest expense. Okay, $509 a month. And I am looking forward to the comment section that's about to tell me I'm overpaying for my truck and how they bought their TRD Pro for $22,000. I'm proud of you. Number three kind of hurt me. Okay, so I make the money. Sandy tells me what I have to pay. I pay it. I didn't realize I actually spent this much on insurance. So their insurance is due April 1st and it's $1,300. But of course that could be less if you're not dumb like me and you don't speed like me. 2 speeding tickets, both like right under reckless. I'm not proud of this. I'm talking to you like if you were my family. Do not speed. It's not good. I promise you. It's not good, especially in a Tacoma, they're slow. I was so upset. Sandy was like, you better not be going fast in this car. And I was like, look, okay, if I get a speeding ticket in a Tacoma, have them arrest me and never let me out. Because how did I manage? Okay, well, obviously I managed to get a speeding ticket in a Tacoma. 2 speeding tickets later, and well, there you go, 210, we'll just call it there, a month on insurance. But in 2023, they will officially be off my record. Fingers crossed. No, I don't need luck. Okay, I'm not speeding. I will be giving myself the best birthday gift I've ever given myself, and that will be saving money because I won't be spending $210, hopefully. Okay, I'm talking about my insurance rates. Hopefully they go down in 2023. So just a quick summary, where are we at? $210 for insurance, $510 for the truck. So we're at $720 plus $50 for a car wash, $770 as of right now. That's not all, kids, because yeah, this thing is horrid on gas, but it's only gonna get worse because I'm gonna be driving it even more during the summertime, which is super exciting for this next number. Now, today's Wednesday, filled up on Wednesday, and I will be back at the gas pump on Sunday. Each fill up, as you guys saw, $73, $74. So with that being said, how much are we spending a month on gas? There's 4 months in a week, 4 weeks in a month, and I'm filling up twice a week at $70 something. Calculator please. $65 times 8. This is not okay. This is unhealthy. This is not right. We'll call it 400. Okay, we'll call it 400 just for the sake that Sandy might be watching this far into the video. My math was wrong, babe. Not accurate. So just to round it all up, we're at $1,100. Okay, like around $1,100 a month on this truck. With that being said, this truck is not stock. So you need to pay to not be, you know, stuck. You need to pay to play. Okay, famous words of every broke man in America. But okay, hey, we're looking nice and snazzy. We are looking absolutely wicked. Modifications. So modifications really depend. Some months I get them all for free, some months I don't, and I pay really bad for them. So let's talk about it. In a month where I do my lift kit and I do my wheels and tires, I think it was like $3,000 for everything. I think it was like $1,900 for like wheels and stuff, and then like $900 for the lift. Then you want to get that installed. You think you can do it yourself? You probably can, you probably should, but you don't, for your own safety and everybody else's safety. $1,000. It really varies on what you're looking to do in that month. So that month I ended up spending like $5,000 on the truck. In that month, just gone. This video was supposed to be fun, informative, but I'm slowly getting more and more sad. With that being said, as of right now, we actually slowed down. We haven't spent too much money on any other modifications. We did the window tint, we got the bed mat, that was 80 bucks, and then those bad boys were like $260. I think I got them for like 140. We also got the front logo. I don't remember how much I spent on it. Also, plastic dips, bottles and bottles of plastic dip all over the truck. We need them, we want them, we use them. So on average, okay, on average, I'm saying I'm spending like $200-300 on modifications a month. I know this month I'm about to spend like $500 on modifications. So with that being said, let me know what you guys are spending on your truck. Are you guys spending as much as I'm spending, or are you guys spending not as much as I'm spending? I'm hoping, okay, I'm hoping you guys are not. Okay, I'm doing this so that you don't have to. There's so many things that happen when you start lifting and modifying your truck, so just keep that in mind. Like I said, one month it was $5,000. This month it's only been like $1,200 that I'm probably spending on the truck. So being in the clear means we get to save some cheddar up and spend it in future months. So let me know if you guys are interested in these type of videos. I know some people are, some people aren't, and if you're not, I'm sorry. Watch another video. But if you are, thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for commenting. I really do appreciate your time. Also, what do you guys think about this shirt? I made this shirt myself. I literally drew the Tacoma. The lines are a little bit cartoonish. I still have to touch it up a little bit, but I think it's pretty sick. Would this be our first merch drop? Would you buy it? Sandy's really hoping you buy it because I'm going broke, guys. I absolutely cannot afford this truck anymore. But of course, with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. But nonetheless, it's been your boy. I'm out of like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.